Hey, how's it going, everybody out there in YouTube? It's it's me, OB8T4, with another video. Today I got this Zeus Kevlar reinforced USB-A to micro USB-C. This is my unboxing. Just got this in the mail today. Uh, this here is supposed to be a price of $19.99. Looks like it should be the last one that I should get because it's a lifetime warranty on there. I'll bring that up so y'all can see that lifetime warranty. Okay. See, there you go. Alright, let's take a look at that. Pause the video if you want to read this. Alright. A little bit of Nanda branding here. Anyways, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get inside this. And for those of you that are wondering, yes, I am doing this review from a bed because I had a knee surgery, but it's not gonna stop me from doing this review. And it's kind of challenging here. I got it. I got it. Trying to keep everybody in the loop. Crazy box. It's a good box. Get out of here. Alright. So, we still have some more logos and branding. Alright, so, anyways, let's open this thing up here. See what we got. Pause the video for yourselves if you want to read this warranty. Alright, for that. Here it is. Very nice. Let's go ahead. Ooh, this is it's gonna be something nice in here. Let's get this guy out of here. Boom, boom. Anything else? Looks like that's pretty much all that's in here. So get that out of here. And there's the cable. So it is a micro USB and a USB. Anyways, there's the cable. Just wanted to do this quick video. I'm gonna go ahead and review this. I'm gonna do another video later on, and I'm gonna be reviewing it. See how good this thing is. I don't know. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of this here Zeus Kevlar cable. So, yeah. Check it out. Alright, go on to their website. It's right there. Boom. Check out the website and help yourself. Peace.